Lake Buchanan, Texas, in October 2023, a view that'll make you double take. Drone shots from Llano County show the boat ramp, left high and dry, with a wide stretch of land where water should be. Levels were sitting around 45 to 50% full, a quiet shock you can't unsee. That massive reservoir, usually buzzing with boats, looked eerily low, its edges stark against the parched ground. You couldn't launch a boat here if you tried. Nature's stark signal was impossible to miss. The scene was almost surreal, a frozen moment of drought's grip. Yet there's a raw, haunting beauty too. Every inch of that empty stretch tells a story of how water and want can shape a place. This was Lake Buchanan, laid bare and unforgettable.